Hello, today we're here to introduce you to the 714 XLT 8-page right angle crossfold unit. The unit runs in tandem with the 714 XA or XLT first station. So after the signatures are folded once, you can do the secondary fold option here. It can run down the cross carrier. We have an up and down fold plate for those two additional folds. We have plated fold plates for static reduction. It comes with a standard cart, and you can do the optional sound covers. It's a DC controlled 110 volt machine. It's a through fold unit, so it comes in one out the other. We have the standard fixed slitter shafts with the pull out tires. You can perf, score, or slit. We have the same. This is our imposition chart that shows the kind of folds that the unit will do.